The kea is one of the most intelligent birds on the planet. They are endemic to the southern Alps of New Zealand and known to be quite curious around new things, and they love to pick away at your new car. They are the world's only alpine parrot, and along with the New Caledonian crow, they have an almost human level of intelligence. Unfortunately, they're an endangered species, like many of New Zealand birds, and there are only around 3,000 to 7,000 of these birds left. The main reasons for their decline are introduced mammalian species, such as stoats, possums, rats, and cats. The main killers in this bunch are stoats. They sneak into the kea burrows and kill kea young, and all the mother can do is watch her chicks get devoured by this hideous beast. The reason the mother doesn't do anything is because she doesn't know what to do. New Zealand was an isolated island for thousands of years, and all the species on the island evolved without mammalian threats, and that's why there's such unique species such as kiwi, weta, kakapo, and the kea. And so when people came and let all these mammal predators loose into Aotearoa, they started killing like mad, and it was just so easy to do, because the native and endemic species hadn't evolved any tactics to avoid these new dangers. As parrots, kea can live a long and healthy life. Wild kea have been recorded to live up to 30 years at least, and the oldest known kea lived up to 50 years in captivity. As juveniles, kea have a distinctive yellow skin ring around their eyes. The lower bill and skin around the nostrils are also yellow. Of course, the yellow slowly turns grey at around 3 to 4 years of age and as the kea matures. The kea has a wingspan that measures over 1 meter, and the underwings are full of bright, vibrant colours. Both male and female are mainly olive green with blue primaries. This allows for camouflage in the wild. The iconic hooked black-grey bill is longer in the male, measuring up to 5.5 centimeters in length. Males are also 20% larger than females and weigh over 1 kilogram. The kea is also the second largest parrot in New Zealand, behind the kakapo. Like all parrots, the kea has 4 toes on each foot, 2 facing forwards and the other 2 facing back. This allows them to easily manipulate objects and move around in trees and on the ground. Kea are omnivorous birds, taking a wide variety of plant and animal matter. They dig in the soil for insect larvae and plant tubers. They forage in trees and shrubs for fruits, seeds, nectar, and leaves. They will also excavate rotten logs and branches for huhu grubs, which are the larvae of the huhu beetle. Kea are also known to attack livestock, ripping the flesh of sheep. They've also been observed to be eating other species of birds and rabbits. Kea are also known to use tools, not only to get food, but to use as toys. They have been known to purposely set off stoat traps, just for fun. Nestor notabilis is the scientific name of the kea. The genus name Nestor derives from the Greek mythology. Nestor was thought to be a wise old counselor to the Greeks at Troy. The second part of its name, notabilis, which in Latin means worthy of note. Kea create nests and burrows they make in natural cavities, such as in rock crevices, a hollow base of a large tree, or even a hollow log. Up to 4 eggs are laid from the months of July to January, but peak laying periods are in August to October. The incubation takes 22 to 24 days, and the chicks stay in the nest for 4 months. The female incubates and cares for the young by herself. She will feed the young by regurgitation. The male will bring food to the nest, feeding the female by regurgitation as well. Fledging peaks at around December to February. Usually 1 clutch is laid per year, but not all females nest every year. Māori gave the name kea, which describes the sound of their call. Kea are considered the guardians and protectors of the mountains to the Waitaha Māori, who are a Māori tribe in the Canterbury region. The kea protected them while on their searches for punamu, or greenstone. The word kea is both singular and plural, but a flock of kea is also called a circus or curiosity, for the silly and curious behaviours. Well, if you
made it to the end of the video, well, I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. I will put links to all the photos that I used, websites which they came from, and people that gave them to me to use in this video, all in the description. Yeah, this is kind of one of my first kind of proper videos, so please don't be harsh on me. Yeah, so, I just want to give a big thank you to everyone who allowed me to use the photos, and, for those that I kind of just, took. Sorry, I needed them. um, yeah, leave a like. Yeah, I'm gonna do that because I'm basic.